Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome download failed at network error. Let's fix it guys. Later on, you just need to open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and go to downloads. And if anything got network error, then you just need to right click on the link and copy link address. In my case, you have copy download link option. After copying it, go to new tab and click on three dot icon and select new incognito window and paste in here the link, and now download the file again and check if the problem solved or not. So you can see it downloaded successful for me. And if not, method to click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security, on right side select third party cookies. Set this to allow third party cookies option, and now try downloading and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to open up Chrome and click on three dot icon and go to settings. On left side select downloads, on right side select change next to location, and go to this busy. Just need to select the drive that has enough space to download the file and select folder option, and the location has been changed. Now you can try downloading the file and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Just need to check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it in address bar and press enter. On right side scan with antivirus. Just need to double click on it and set this to one value data and click on OK and just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.